This is the HY300 projector that's been going viral on social media. And inside this video, we will be testing out the video quality, the audio quality, and I'll let you know whether or not this projector is worth buying. As far as accessories go that come inside the box, we have the remote control that does need two AAA batteries, a power cord, and a user manual. On the remote, we have all of your basic buttons, including the home button, a settings button, a back button, and volume control. And as far as the projector goes, we do have this swivel base so you can get the perfect vertical angle. And on the back, we have a power button, a headphone jack, an HDMI port, and a USB port. Now that we've gone over the hardware, let's take a look at the software. But before we do, I must say that I was sent this to review inside this video. However, all of my thoughts and opinions are my own. So we'll take the remote and we'll power on this projector. And the first thing that you're going to notice is it will be out of focus, so we can use the focus wheel here on the top to bring it into focus. That looks a lot better. Now, obviously the lights are all on, so this isn't gonna look the best. So let me go ahead and turn these off so we can really see the full potential of this projector. Now, one of the cool things about this projector is gonna be the automatic correction of the orientation of the screen. So if I move it down like this, you'll notice that the screen corrects itself so that it is perfectly flush with the wall. Many of the projectors that I've tested in the past didn't have that feature. And you're also gonna notice that we have a bunch of apps built in to this projector, including things like YouTube. And the first thing that we're going to test is going to be the sound quality of this projector using some non-copyrighted music. This is going to be the volume turned up to 100, and this is what the speaker sounds like. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. In my opinion, it's plenty loud enough considering how small the speaker is. It's not going to be Bose or Apple quality sound. However, it is going to get the job done, and it's going to be loud enough that you can hear the audio over the fan. And our next test is going to be testing out the video quality. So here is some stock footage and what the projector looks like. It may not be on the same level as a 4K OLED TV, but it is going to be plenty bright enough, and you're easily going to be able to watch footage from this projector. And considering the price of this projector, you really can't go wrong with something like this. Beyond your typical apps like Netflix and YouTube, we're also going to have the Google Play Store so you can download all kinds of Android apps. Not to mention, you can also hook up an HDMI TV box to this. So if you have a TV box like an Amazon Fire Stick, you can plug it directly into here and watch from all of your subscriptions. Then of course we have the files section, and this is where you can plug in a USB drive with content on it and watch it directly from the projector. Next we have our applications folder, and this is going to be all the applications currently installed. So we have Prime Video, Play Store, Netflix, Disney Plus, Chrome, and even the ability to AirPlay from an iPhone. Lastly, we have the settings section, and inside here we're going to have the networking, Bluetooth, language, audio, projection, all those kinds of good settings that you can tailor to your liking. Another feature of this projector is the farther back you are, the bigger your picture is going to be. So sitting roughly about 6 feet away, you're getting a 60 to 72 inch screen. And if you're willing to have the projector sit 10 to 11 feet away, you should get about a 120 inch screen. And whenever you move the projector, it will automatically recalibrate and giving you the best image depending on how far away you are from the wall. Now that we've fully tested out the audio and video quality of this projector, is it worth that $50 price tag? And in my honest opinion, I really do think that this projector is worth buying. You're getting quite a few smart features and a bright enough screen with decent speakers that compare to projectors that are 3 to 4 times the price of this one. Is it going to give you a movie watching experience on par with a $1,000 OLED TV? Absolutely not, but it is going to give you a great viewing experience and speakers that are loud enough to hear if you want to have a projector movie night. I can definitely recommend this little guy. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in the home and outdoor categories. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stay tuned for when I release my next video.